Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders around the world. Alan from Wall Street to Easy Street. Today's Monday, April 6, 2015, and it's what I commonly call NFP Monday. It's the Monday following the non-farm payroll release. And usually it's a lackluster day. There's typically not a lot of moves going on because traders are trying to figure out if the market's going to be retracing the move on Friday or continuation, and there's a lot of uncertainty, so a lot of traders stay out of the market. Makes for a bad day of trading. There's no reason to even scroll this chart backwards because all of our trading is right here on the screen because there wasn't much. But basically, to get started here, this video is going to be pretty short. What we did have was I had this trend line I drawn earlier in the day. It seemed to hold up really most of the day. There was no 8:30 news release today. I did have a first break set up right here that got in at 18. And what I was looking for on here, because of it being a lackluster day like it was, I was wanting to get out around this high, which I ended up getting out at 23. So not too bad of a trade. My fill wasn't quite where I wanted it. I was hoping to get in one or two ticks lower here, but as it was, I managed to get 5 ticks on that. So, it's an acceptable trade. Then I did have a range break set up here I was wanting to get into, but unfortunately I looked over at the chat room and was typing in the chat room and missed the entry on this one. That would have been good for a couple more pips on that one. After that, the market pulled back down here, waiting on the probably waiting on the PMI news to come out later on. We can see here at this area, this is the where the fib bots came into play. So coming off the high of the day, we pulled back here to the 23.6 area, and the fib bots took over and started trying to run the market up, and they were able to keep the market up, I think, all the way up until we decided that we're better off taking our pips and going home, coming back tomorrow and playing another day. So that's really all we had today. Short and sweet video here. Got a few pips in our pocket, and we're going to come back tomorrow and try it again. Y'all have a good trading day.